Today we will discuss quantitative aptitude. In this we will see average and age, ratio and proportion related problems. Let us see the first question. The ratio of the average of the two series of 5 numbers is 2:3. All the 5 terms of the former series are the consecutive multiples of 4, while all the 5 terms in the later series are the consecutive multiples of 6. If the sum of their first term is 20, then find the difference between the greatest term of the series divisible by 6 and second greatest term of the series divisible by 4. So, here what is given, we have to see the ratio of the two series 5 numbers is 2:3. All the 5 terms of the former series are consecutive multiples of 4. Let us take first the consecutive multiples of 4. That means x plus 4, x plus 8, x plus 12, x plus 16. These are the 5 multiples of 4. Similarly, you have to take the 5 multiples of the 6, consecutive multiples of 6. That means x plus 6, x plus 12, x plus 18, x plus 24. These are the 5 consecutive multiples of the 6. Here what is given, if the sum of their first term, or you can take like this, you can take y instead of taking x, let us take y. So, y plus 6, y plus 12, y plus 18, y plus 24. Okay. Now, here what is given, all the 5 terms, the ratio of the average of the two series. Here the average is the third number, here also the average is the third number. So, here it is given x plus 8 by y plus 12 is 2:3. Therefore, we will get 3x plus 24 is equal to 2y plus 24. 24 will get cancelled. Therefore, we can write 3x is equal to 2y. Now, the sum of the first term of the both series is 20. That means x plus y. X plus y is given 20. If x plus y is given 20, then 3x plus 3y is equal to 60. Here 3x is nothing but 2y. Therefore, 5y 60, y value 12. If y value is 12, x plus y is 20, therefore x is equal to 8. So, y value is 12, x value is 8. We have to find the difference between the greatest term of the series divisible by 6. What is the greatest term? Y plus 24. Y value 12. 12 plus 24, 36. The second greatest term of the series divisible by 4. What is the second greatest term of the term divisible by 4? It is x plus 12, where x is 8. 8 plus 12, that is 20. We should find the difference of these two numbers. Your answer will be 16. So, answer is 1. Let us see the next question. Question number 2. Aman, Banu, Colin and David and Yashmat, they had a total 440 rupees with them. Aman had twice the sum that Colin has. Banu has 10 rupees more than that of Colin. David's share is equal to the sum of Banu and Colin. Yashmat is having 75% of what Aman and Banu has together. Find the amount of Aman. So, here we are having 4 persons. Who are the 4 persons? Those are nothing but Aman, Aman for A, Aman, Banu, Colin and David. Aman had twice the amount that Colin has. So, Colin, if you take x, Aman 2x. Banu is having 10 more than Colin. So, it is x plus 10. David's share is equal to, so D is equal to the sum of Banu and Colin. So, Banu and Colin means it will be 2x plus 10. Yashmat, there is one more person, Yashmat E. Yashmat is having 75%. 75% is nothing but 3 by 4. 75% is nothing but 3 by 4 of Aman and Banu together. Aman and Banu together. See, Aman and Banu together means Aman 2x, Banu x plus 10. So, total it will be 3x plus 10. 3x plus 10, that is nothing but 9x plus 30 divided by 4. Now, these are the 5 persons. Here, find the amount of Aman. If you take the total of all the persons, if you take the total 2x plus x plus 10 plus x and 2x plus 10, total it will be 2x plus x, 3x, 4x and this is 6x. 6x plus 30 plus 9x plus 30 by 4 is equal to 440. This is given. So, you can take, it is 20, 10 plus 10, 20. Then you can take 24x plus 80 plus 9x plus 30 is equal to 1760. 440 into 4, 1760. If you do this calculation, so you are going to get 24 plus 9, that is 33x plus 180 plus 30, that is equal to 110 is equal to 1760. 33x is equal to 1650. X value is how much? 50. X value 50 you are going to get. Now, find the amount that Aman has. So, Aman is having how many rupees? 2x rupees. 2x is nothing but 100. 100 is the correct answer. Option 5 is the correct answer. Let us see the next one. The average marks of Sandeep are decreased by 2 when he exclude 40 marks in social science and include 28 and 30 marks of physics and chemistry respectively. If he added 54 marks in computer science and the average becomes equal to original average, find the number of subjects originally. Okay, this is the question. Here what is given, there are some subjects, are there. The average marks of the Sandeep are decreased by 2. So, here total subjects I am taking as x, average marks I am taking it as y, then total marks will be xy. Now, the average marks is decreased by 2 when we exclude 40 marks of social science and include 28 and 30 marks of physics and chemistry. So, you are excluding means minus 40, excluding means minus 40, including means 28 plus 30. So, 28 plus 30, 58. So, you are including 58 marks, you are excluding 40. Therefore, we are including totally 18 marks. So, total marks are xy, we are including 18 marks. Then, the average is decreased by 2. So, we included extra one subject. Why? Because we are taking out one subject, we are adding 2 subjects. So, for the subject, one subject will be added. The average is decreased by 2. So, average y, if it is decreased by 2, it will be y minus 2. If you do the calculation, xy plus 18 is equal to xy minus 2x plus y minus 2. Here xy will get cancel. Therefore, we will get one equation y minus 2x equal to 20. We are getting one equation y minus 2x 20. Okay. Now, if we again added 54 marks of computer science to this value. So, already it is xy plus 18. Now, if you add again 54 marks, now it will be equal to xy plus 72 then the average becomes equal to the original average. Now total subjects will be x plus 2. Why? Because already x plus 1, now it is x plus 2. Again the average will be same. Same means it will be y. Now if you do this calculation, we are going to get xy plus 72 is equal to xy plus 2y, where xy will get cancelled, 2y value 72, y value 36. But we want number of subjects. Number of subjects is nothing but x. So if you substitute here, 36 minus 2x is equal to 20, 2x 16, x value 8. So number of subjects is 8. 8 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. Fourth question. The present age of Anurag is 12.5% more than Ayush and present age of Deepak is 12.5% less than Ayush. The ratio of the present age of Dharmendra and Shivam is 4:3 and present age of Deepak is equal to the age of Dharmendra 4 years hence. If the average age of Dharmendra and Shivam after 3 years will be 24 years, find the average age of Anurag and Shivam after 6 years. Okay. The present age of Anurag, we are having 4 persons. One is Anurag, next we are having Ayush, next we are having Deepak, then there is one more set, that is Dharmendra and Shivam. Okay. The present age of Anurag is 12.5% more. 12.5% more means 9:8. So this will be 9 parts. This will be 8 parts. Present age of Deepak is 12.5% less. 12.5% less means 1/8% less. So that is equal to 7 parts. This is 7 parts. Then Dharmendra and Shivam, we are having the ratio 4:3. So this is 4x, this is 3x. These 3 are one set, these 2 are other set. The present age of Deepak is equal to Dharmendra age 4 years hence. If the average age of Dharmendra and Shivam after 3 years, so Dharmendra and Shivam total age will be 7x. After 3 years means for Dharmendra 3 years, for Shivam also 3 years, so it will be 7x plus 6. Average 24 means total 48. Therefore 7x equal to 42, x value 6. If x value is 6, Dharmendra value is 24 and Shivam value is 18. Here the present age of Deepak, is equal to Dharmendra age 4 years hence. What is Dharmendra present age? 24. After 4 years, 28. That means 7 parts equal to 28. You have to find the average age of Anurag and Shivam after 6 years. Now Anurag age will be 9 parts. If 7 parts is 28, 9 parts will be 36. This is Anurag present age. Then if you come to Shivam, Shivam present age 18. So after 6 years it will be 24. 18, 24. This one after 6 years it will be 42. After 6, 42. So 42 plus 24, 66. We want average. So divided by 2, your answer is 33 years. 33 is the correct answer. 33 means option is 2. 2 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question, fifth question. The average weight of the group of some children increases by 1 when 2 children join the group. If instead of these 2 children, another 2 children join the group, then the weight is decreased by 1, but total weight becomes more than the initial weight. If the difference between the sum of the weights of the 2 children of the previous one to the latter one is 14, then find the initial number of children in the group. So here the average weight of the group of some children, we don't know the initial children. I am taking this one as x. Then we don't know their average weight also, that I am taking it as y. So the average weight of some children is increased by 1 when 2 children. So initial average and initial children increased by 1 when 2 children join. if instead of these two children, so initial children I am taking y and average weight x, then total will be xy or yx. Now, here what is given? The average weight is increased by 1. Average weight is increased by 1 when two children join the group. When two children join the group, the average weight increase. So, when the average weight will increase, if the two children who are joining, those weight is more than the average weight. The two children who are joining, they should have more than the average weight. Then only the average weight will increase. Now, average weight is increasing by 1. So, what is the average weight? X. It is increasing by 1 means x plus 1. The number of children joined will be 2. So, actually children y, it is y plus 2. So, how much it is increasing means we should subtract the original weight. It will be xy. This is the two children who are joining so that the average weight increase. It is x plus 1 of y plus 2 minus xy. Suppose next what is happening? Instead of these two children, there is another two children joining, then the average group is decreased by 1. Now there is another two children joining. Instead of these two, there are another two children. Then the average weight decrease means these two children will be having less than the average weight. So now here the average is decreased by 1. So average x, it is decreasing by 1 means x minus 1. Now again the children are same, it is y plus 2. Again it will be minus xy. But total weight remains more than the initial weight. Why I am taking x minus y of y plus 2 minus xy instead of xy minus this? Because the total weight becomes more than the initial weight. And the difference between these two sums is 14. Here the difference of these two is given 14. Now you should take the difference of these two. Now you need to take the difference of these two. That means x plus 1 of y plus 2 minus xy minus x minus 1 of y plus 2 minus xy. This value is given 14. Okay, you have to solve this one. See, xy plus 2x plus y plus 2 minus xy minus of xy plus 2y minus y minus 2 minus xy is equal to 14. Here what all will get cancelled? Plus xy minus xy cancel. Plus xy minus xy cancel. Here also plus xy minus xy will get cancel. Still what you may get cancel? Xy plus 2x. So here we will get 2x again. Here we will get 2x. So 2x and 2x also will get cancelled. You are left with y plus 2 minus of minus y plus 2. Therefore, we are getting y plus 4 is equal to 14. Therefore, 2y plus 4 because it is y plus 2. Here also y plus 2. So, 2y plus 4 14. 2y is equal to 10. Y value will be 5. Find the initial number of children. Initial number of children is 5. 5 is the correct answer. So, option is 2. 2 is the correct option. Let us see the next question. 6 to 7. The following passage contain, read the following passage and then answer the question. The average age of ABCD 2 years ago was X years. The average age of B and C 2 years hence will be X plus 1 year. D is X by 3 years older to C. C age after 4 years will be in the ratio of 6:5 with A age before 5 years. B age after 3 years will be equal to D age before 5 years. Let us see. Here it is given 4 persons A, B, C, D. I am assuming A age A only, B age B, C age D. Here what is given? The average age of ABCD 2 years ago was X. So 2 years total 4 people, so 4x. For every person 2 years should be added. So total persons are 4. So 4 into 2, 8. This is the present age of ABCD. This is the present age of ABCD. Okay. Now, next, the average age of B and C. Here we are given the average age of B and C. 2 years hence will be x plus 1. So, it will be total 2x plus 2. That is after 2 years. We want present. So, for B 2 years we should minus, for C also 2 years we should minus. Therefore, we are going to get 2x minus 2. This is the age of B and C present age, 2 years. Here we got ABCD present age 4x plus 8. We got B plus C present age 2x minus 2. If you subtract the second equation from the first equation, you are going to get 2x plus 10. That is the age of A and D. So, therefore, A plus D is equal to 2x plus 10. If you subtract, you will get this value. So, what is A plus D value? 2x plus 10. With this, we will get D is equal to 2x plus 10 minus A. With this, we will get D is equal to 2x plus 10 minus A. Now, D is x by 3 years older than. For regarding D, what is given? It is x by 3 older than A. So, this is D, this is also D. Therefore, we can equal this one. 2x plus 10 minus A is equal to x by 3 plus A. If you substitute and if you calculate, here if you send minus A to other side, it will be 2A. It will be 2A. Then 2x minus x by 3, it will be 5x by 3 and it will be equal to plus 10. So, 2A is equal to 5x plus 3, 5x by 3 plus 10. Therefore, A is equal to 5x plus 6 by plus 5. A value 5x by 6 plus 5. If you got A value 5x by 6 plus 5, what is D value? D value is equal to x by 3 plus 5x plus 6 by 5. Therefore, LCM will be 6. Therefore, how much we are going to get? 7x by 6 plus 5. This is which value? D value. So, remember D value 7x by 6 plus 5, A value 5x plus 6 by 5 plus 5. Okay, we got A and D. Next, you have to follow whatever is the information is there. C age after 4 years will be in the ratio of 6:5, A age before 5 years. That means C age after 4 years, C plus 4 will be A age before 5, A minus 5. In what ratio it will be there? 6 by 5. What is A value already? What is A value? 5x by 6 plus 5 minus 5. Substitute A here. 5x by 6 plus 5 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 will get cancel. Therefore, we are going to get C plus 4 by 5x by 6 is equal to 6 by 5. Therefore, 5c plus 20 is equal to how much we are going to get? 5x. 5c is equal to 5x minus 20. C value will be x minus 4. What is C value? X minus 4. 5c is equal to 5x minus 20. Therefore, C value x minus 4. Next, B age after 3 years. See this point, this point. B age after 3 years will be equal to D age before 5 years. That means B plus 3 is equal to D minus 5. Therefore, B is equal to D minus 8. I am converting all into x. What is D value? It is 7x by 6 plus 5 minus 8. Therefore, we are going to get B value 7x by 6 minus 3. This is whose value? B. Now, you got B value and C. Now, there is one more thing you need to take. Here already I have written B plus C is equal to 2x minus 2. B plus C is 2x minus 2. Here how much I got B value? 7x by 6 minus 3 plus C value x minus 4. If you solve this one, you will get x value. You need to solve this one, therefore you are going to get x value. Now let us solve. 2x minus 2 is equal to 7x by 6 plus x minus 7. So here it will be 13x by 6, 13x by 6 minus 2x, 13x by 6 minus 2x is equal to, this if you send this minus 7, it will be equal to plus 7. Plus 7 minus 2 is 5. Therefore, we are going to get x by 6 5. X is equal to 30. We got x value 30. Substitute x value 30 in all the equations, you will get all the ages. For example, A. What is the age of A? See, what is the age of A? A value, how much? What is A value, what is B value, and what is C? A value 5x by 6, 5x by 6, that means 5 into 30 by 6 plus 5, that is 30. So, A is 30. What about B value? B value 7x by 6, 7 into 30 by 6 minus 3, that will be equal to 35 minus 3, 32, that is B value. B value you will get 32. What about C? X minus 4, 26. What about D? 7x by 6, 7 into 30 by 6 plus 5. Therefore, we are going to get 40. So, A is 20, B 32, C 26, D 40. The age of A is 30, the age of B 32, the age of C 26, the age of D it is 40. Now, continue all the values and try to answer the question. See, this is the data you got. A value 30, B value 32, C value 26, D value 40. What will be the age of the average age of A and C after 5 years? So, after 5 years means A age present is 30, after 5 years 35, and C age, what is C present is 26, before 3 years means 23. So, 35 plus 23, 58, we want average divided by 2, the answer is 29 years. 29 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. Let us see the next question. What will be the difference between the present age of D and average age of C after 2 years, A 3 years before? So, what is the present age of D? Present age of D 40. The C after 2 years, C after 2 years 28. A before 3 years, it is 27. It is 27. So, this is one category. We have to take average of these two. 28 plus 27, 55. 55 by 2 means 27.5. So, 40 minus 27.5. The answer is 12.5. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next question. The ratio of the present age of father to son is 4:1. After 12 years, mother age is twice that of the son's age. At the time of the birth of the child, mother was not more than 24 years old. Then find the possible age of father to mother. So, here we are having father and son. The ratio is given 4:1. So, it is 4x, it is x. Then mother age after 12 years. This is after 12 years. He is twice that of the son's age at that time. So, it will be nothing but 2 of x plus 12, that is 2x plus 24, that is mother age after 12 years. Therefore, mother present age will be, therefore, mother present age. We should subtract the 12 years, we will get 2x plus 12. This is mother present age. At the time of the birth of the child, mother at the time of the birth, at the birth of the child. So, at the birth of the child means we should subtract this x, 2x plus 12 minus x. Therefore, it will be equal to x plus 12. Now we are having the mother age at 3 stages. One, mother age after 12 years, 2x plus 24. The second one, mother present age, 2x plus 12. Mother age at the time of the birth of the child, it is x plus 12. Next, at the time of the birth of the child, mother was not more than 24. You should remember all this clause. Then find the possible age of father to that of mother. So you should take father present age 4x, mother present age, it will be nothing but 2 of x plus 12, that will give 2x of 2x, this is 6 not 12. Why? Because 2 of x plus 12 means 2 of x plus 6. So 2 1 so 2x. So 2x by x plus 6. This is father age, this is the mother age. This ratio we have to substitute is equal to 3 by 2. So therefore 4x is equal to 3x plus 18, x value 18. We want to find at the time of the birth mother age. So at the time of the birth mother age will be x plus 12 and it should not be greater than 24. That means it should be less than or equal to 24. Now 18 plus 12, 30. Is 30 less than or 24? No. So first option is wrong. Then go to the second option. What is the second option? That is nothing but 2x by x plus 6 equal to, this is not correct. Next one, 6 by 5. I am substituting the second one. Therefore, we are going to get 10x equal to 6x plus 36, 4x 36, x value 9. If x value is 9, x plus 12. So, x plus 12 means 21. 21 is less than or equal to 24? Yes, this is correct. Now, we are seeing the third option. Let us see third option. 2x by x plus 6 equal to 5 by 3. Therefore, 6x is equal to 5x plus 30. X value itself is 30. That means if you get x is only 30, but it should not be not more than 24. So, this is also definitely wrong. Let us move to the fourth option. 2x by x plus 6 equal to 4 by 3. 6x is equal to 4x plus 24. Therefore, x is equal to 24. Sorry, 2x is equal to 24. X value 12. If you substitute x value 12, 12 plus 12 should be less than or equal to 24. Yes, it is equal to 24. This condition is also satisfied. Now, let us see the last option. Last option means 2x by x plus 6 equal to 5 by 4. Therefore, we are going to get 8x is equal to 5x plus 30, 3x is equal to 30, x is equal to 10. If you substitute x is equal to 10, 10 plus 12 means 22, 22 less than or equal to 24, yes. So, second one correct, fourth one correct and fifth one correct. Second, 4, 5 is correct answer. Option A is the correct one. Let us see the next question. A and B are two alloys. Alloys is nothing but the mixture of two or more metals. They are formed by using iron and copper in the ratio of 3:5 and 5:9. If 60 grams of A, we are having alloy A, how many gram? 60. In this there will be iron and copper in the ratio 3:5. So 3 plus 5, 8. 60 by 8 is nothing but 7.5. 7.5 into 3, it is 22.5. 7.5 into 5, it is 37.5. This is about A. If you come to B, it is having iron copper 5:9. So total I am taking 14 parts. In this iron will be 5 parts, copper will be 9 parts. Now you are mixing these two. Then there to form another alloy, the ratio of iron and copper. Now total iron 22.5 plus 5 parts. Total copper 37.5 plus 9 parts. The ratio will be 35 by 61. You have to do this calculation. First of all, 225 into 61. You will get 225, 6 5 is 30, 15, 13. So 0, 2, 7, 5, 2, 7, 3. It is 1372.5. This you will get 1372.5 plus 305 parts. Now 375 into 35. 5 5s 25, 37, then 5 3s 15, 18, 3 5s 15, 22, 11, 5 12, 11, 3 1. It is 1312.5 plus 9 into 35, that is 315 parts. Now the difference of 315 parts and 305 parts, 10 parts. Difference of 1372.5 and 1312.5, 60. Therefore, one part is equal to 6. We are having total be 14 parts. You have to find the value of x. X grams means I am taking 14 parts. So 14 into 6, the answer is 84 grams. 84 grams means option 4 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question, 10th question. There are 3 varieties of sugar with their quantity in the ratio of 3:4:5. We are having 3 varieties of sugar. So here I am taking 3y, this one I am taking 4y, this one I am taking 5y, total quantity. If 9 kg is added to the first variety, we are adding 9 kg. 4 kg is subtracted from the second variety, and x kg is removed. Removed means again 9 kg and 4 kg of second variety are added. So this one also we should add, but here we are removing, so minus x kgs, minus x kgs. So this will be totally 3y plus 9, this will be 4y plus 4, this will be 5y minus x. Then we are having final ratio 9:10:10. So let us compare any one thing. I am comparing 3y plus 9 by 4y plus 4 in the ratio 9:10. Therefore, you will get y value. So if you do that, 30y plus 90 is equal to 36y plus 36. Therefore, 6y is equal to 54. Y value 9. We want initial quantity. Initial quantity means 3y, 4y, 5y. So total I am taking 12y. So 12 into 9, 108. Here you need not do this x. X is not at all needed. So 108 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. So my next class will be on Tuesday. Next class we will discuss on Tuesday.